Is Windows search not working on your computer? You type something in the start menu and nothing appears. This is a very common Windows problem, but the fix usually takes less than 2 minutes. Let's fix it. Step 1. Restart Windows Search Service. First, we will restart the Windows Search Service. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. In the run box, type services.msc. Then press Enter. This will open the Windows Services list. Scroll down until you find Windows Search. Right-click it and select Restart. In many cases, this immediately fixes the search problem. Step 2. Restart Explorer. If search still does not work, the next step is restarting File Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click it and click Restart. Your taskbar will briefly disappear and reload. Step 3. Rebuild search index. If the problem still continues, we can rebuild the search index. Open the control panel and search for indexing options. Click Advanced, then select Rebuild. Windows will recreate search index. This might take a few minutes, but it fixes many search issues. After rebuilding the index, try searching again in the Start menu. In most cases, one of these fixes restores Windows Search instantly. If your PC is also slow, even when nothing is open, watch this next video where I will explain why that happens and how to fix it.